Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in today's newspaper in additional, of Friday, February the 11th, 2022. Yes, almost weekend. And we have two puzzles left because the first one I've already solved. I only do half of the additional, otherwise it's too much for me. So I will do the tectonic and the binary. And the first one I've already solved. Told you earlier, the Sudoku with 3 stars. But now it's time for the binary. Yes, the binary. Number 4114. 4114. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well. Well, I need to compare now. I think, yeah, I'm stuck. Okay. Let me see. We have 3 columns. Let me see. 101. How about? Well, I cannot compare the columns. Let me do this with the rows. This row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have a O there. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Okay, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so let me put the O and a 1. So we have here the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Alright. Do I need to compare again? Let me see. Double one. Double O. Cannot compare. So I need to compare the rows. Do we have a double? Well. This row and that row. Okay, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay. Then, still cannot continue. Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. This first row and the 7th row. Oh, 1 1 1 1 oh oh, empty box, so 1 1 oh oh. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4, correct. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. A double 1 here, no there, no. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, a lot of comparing. But I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.